All right, slope of the line x equals -3 is what? So for the most part in this class, we've been looking at slope-intercept form where it's y equals mx plus b. This is not in slope-intercept form. If it was in slope-intercept form, our slope would be the number attached to x. But this one's not in slope-intercept form, so we kind of just have to think about this one instead. If we think about a graph, the way this equation is written, it says that x equals -3. There's nothing else to this equation. It means no matter what, x has to equal -3. So if we look on our x-axis at -3, this is -3, no matter what y value you put in, x will always equal -3. So if my y value is 0, x is still -3. If my y value is 2, x is still -3. If my y value is way down here at -10, it doesn't matter. X will still be -3. Everywhere, x is a -3. So if you think about graphing this line, this is a vertical line. And we talked about, like in our super corny slope story, that a vertical line is undefined. Wow, I just lost my train of thought there for a minute. A vertical line is undefined. And the other way that we thought about it, Miss Nash told us that if it's vertical, you can think of it as UV rays. The U stands for undefined, the V stands for vertical. So if you have a vertical line, it is undefined. If you had seen an equation, this is just extra. If you had seen an equation that said y equals -3, that means every single place, no matter what the x value is, the y has to equal -3. So if you had seen one of these, then that's a horizontal line and that has no slope or 0 slope. So those are what those two special cases look like.